Hi class, this is Miss Champagne and I'm going to teach you how to divide decimals. The first thing that you need to know is that long division is the same thing as a fraction. So this number is called the dividend. Dividend. This number is also the numerator. So the numerator and the dividend are the same thing. So I'm going to put the word dividend at the top. This is the dividend numerator. So that means that this number is called the divisor, the number which divides. Second thing to know is that the divisor cannot have a decimal. So we need this divisor to be a whole number. So we're going to take this decimal and we're going to move it here so that I can have the number 56 instead of 5.6. If I move the decimal here, I also have to move the decimal on the inside. Don't let this comma confuse you. This comma is not a decimal. This just means 9,000. Your decimal is imaginary and it's right here at the end. So we're going to have to move this imaginary decimal over one space here and fill in this with a 0. So the number that we're actually dividing is 56 divided by 90230 dot. And draw your decimal straight up. That's the third step. So the first thing to recognize is that long division is the same as a fraction. Second, the divisor cannot have a decimal in it, so you have to move it to the end here. Whatever you move here, you also have to move the inside one space. Bring your decimal straight up. Now, we're going to write the multiples of 56. That means that we are going to add 56 plus 56. 6 plus 6 is 12. Put the 2, carry the 1. 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 1 is 11. So your multiples of 56 are 56. The next multiple is 112. Then I'm going to add another 56 to find my next multiple. 6, 7, 8, 5, 6 is 168. And I'll just do one more. Plus 56, 8 plus 6. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Put the 4, carry the 1. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Carry the 1. 224. And I'm going to stop there. Now the first step is to look at the 9. Do you see the number 9 in the 56 times table or the multiples of 56? No, we don't. So now so I'm going to put a 0 above 9. I don't see the number 9. What about the number 90? Which one of these numbers is closest to 90 without going over 90? Correct, 56. So I'm going to take 56 and write it here. Now what number times 56 gave me 56? What number times 56 is equal to 56? Correct, 1. 1 times 56 is 56. The next step is to subtract. 0 minus 6. If I have $0, I cannot take $6 away, so I go here to the 9, make that an 8. The one that I borrow, I place it right in front of this number to make it a 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is 4. 8 minus 5 is 3. The last step is to bring down. So the steps to multiplication are divide, multiply, subtract, bring it down. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring it down. When we look at our multiples, we are dividing. We're trying to find a multiple that's closest to 90. That's our first step. Divide, multiply. What number times 56 gave us the 56? It was 1. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Next step, is to start all over.